Hey theme lovers, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am bringing you a brand new iOS 26 liquid glass effect theme for your Xiaomi, Redmi or Poco device. If you have been looking for an iOS 26 inspired liquid glass setup with a premium look, then this theme is definitely for you. So let's check out the theme and see how you can install it on your Xiaomi device. Let's start with the lock screen. Here we get an iOS in-style lock screen layout with a liquid glass clock widget at the top. By the way, you can customize the clock size as well as its color according to your wallpaper. Now if we move towards the home screen, here we get the same liquid glass clock widget at the top along with a liquid glass dock at the bottom, which perfectly matches the overall look of this setup. In addition to that, the icons also resemble a mix of iOS and Android styles, especially the system app icons. Moreover, if you look at the app folder, here too we get to see the liquid glass effect, which blends really well with the overall setup. Now let's come to the second main element of this setup, the control center. And here as well, we get a layout with a liquid glass effect, especially on the toggles, music shortcut, brightness slider, and volume bar, which clearly resemble the iOS 26 control center. In addition to that, the status bar design also gives an iOS-like vibe. Last but not least, let's move to the settings menu. Here too we get a category-based layout inspired by the iOS settings menu, along with matching themed icons. But the most interesting thing is the swipe back gesture animation, which shows a star-like effect and helps give the setup a more premium feel. So that's all about this theme. Now let's see how you can apply it on your device. First, go to the pinned comment and download the backup file. Then go to the settings menu. Then backup and restore settings. And create a backup of your current theme. After that, open your file manager. Go to the Me App folder, then backup. And replace the backup file with the downloaded file. Now go back to the backup and restore settings. And restore the backup theme. Next, open your theme store, where you will find this new theme. Simply apply it. Lastly, for the lock screen wallpaper, go to Lock Style and tap on Customize Lock Screen. After that, tap on this setting and select the second option. Then tap on the next option and choose your preferred wallpaper. Well, if you want to customize the lock screen even further, you can tweak these options according to your needs. So this is the iOS 26 liquid glass effect HyperOS 3 theme for your Xiaomi, Redmi or Poco device. I hope you liked this theme. If you did, make sure to like the video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more amazing HyperOS 3 customizations. See you in the next video. Till then, keep customizing.